I'll show you Malta. See Malta.
See Malta captain and crew, we would like to welcome you on board our brand new, state-of-the-art, eco-friendly, fully air-conditioned catamaran, the first of its kind on the Maltese Islands. As we start cruising, we would like to take a minute of your time to inform you of some important information. In the unlikely event of an emergency, times.
Ladies and gentlemen,
up to the island of Gozo and Comino. So ladies and gentlemen, the first stop will be the island of Gozo. In Gozo, we will stay only 5 to 10 minutes and then we will keep going to the Blue Lagoon in Comino Harbor. Thank you so much. So, if you have a white on a private bus, like our passengers with the white bracelet, which brings you to
For Comino, yeah?